Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Serpent's Claw. Let's get started. One tie this time. It's at my left side, is at the belt line as usual. We're going to come over, we're just going to put in a dimple or a fold in, bring it over to the center, come up and over like this. I'm going to come around like this, and then I'm going to do a wreath. Bring it around like this, then do another, keep doing the wreath, and then I'm going to open up this. Then I'm just going to take this like this. I'm just going to fold it in because that's just the quickest way to do it. Or you can still keep the shape and just kind of bring that through like that. And it'll still be in the form of a wreath. I'm going to come around. It's going to be folded in half this time. Bring it through like this. Then I'm going to do another wreath, and then I'm going to bring it down through this one right here. So there's the wreath right there. And then we're gonna bring it through this one. Do a wreath through that. And then we're going to come up through this right here. So there you have the Serpent's Claw. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. And I'll show you, here's what the knot looks like at the very end. There you go, guys. Peace and God bless.